Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an X account. First, navigate to the X website or download the X mobile application from your device's app store. Once there, locate and click the Sign Up button to initiate the account creation process. You will then be prompted to provide some basic information, including your full name, a valid phone number or email address, and your date of birth. This ensures a personalized and secure experience from the start. After entering your initial details, the next step is to personalize your X profile. Select a unique username, which will be your handle on the platform. Then, upload a profile picture. A clear image of your face or a recognizable logo works best. Finally, craft a compelling bio, limited to 160 characters, to tell others about yourself or your brand. This helps people find and connect with you. Account verification is crucial for security. You will receive a verification code via the phone number or email address you provided. Enter this code to confirm your account. Next, create a strong, unique password, ideally a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. For an extra layer of protection, we highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication, which adds a second verification step. With your account set up, it's time to connect and engage. Start by following accounts that align with your interests to populate your feed with relevant content. Then, compose your very first post, remembering the 280-character limit. Don't forget to interact with other users by liking their posts, retweeting content you find interesting, and replying to join conversations. Enjoy your X journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.